How's it going, my friends, and welcome to Rayman Origins. So this is basically a platformer type game that we're going to be playing. It was one of my favorite games when I was a little bit younger. And yeah, there's not really much else to explain. You'll just see as we go along. So let's get into it. Oh, I like this intro piece. I like the little, I don't even know what they're called. But they just look ridiculous. Man, every time I hear that, I'm like, it's got a pretty good beat to it, you know? It's like, it's good. I love the cute animation style for when they're screaming. Uh, okay. So in just a second, we're gonna get into the actual gameplay. So, here. Ready? And now, getting started. If I remember correctly, we have to swing on him. Now, I remember a lot of the controls. I was playing a little bit of this on another save file to figure out how it worked again, because I did have to learn it. But here. So we're starting with It's a Jungle Out There. It's so weird not having all the stuff. Well, if I remember correctly, yeah. Okay. Just run. Ready? So these people, right? Oh crap, that was not good. Okay. But these, you basically get like, man. Oh my god. That was not good at all. Okay. That was not a good representation of how this should be played. That was really bad. Oh, jeez. Oh, wait, what? I didn't realize there was a point up there. Boom. There we go. So this first fairy girl thing, they have to rescue, gives you the power to attack, and then on the first level of every single one of these, there's a new girl thing, fairy, that gives you a new ability, right? So I think in the next one, you're given the ability to fly, which is more like a glide, but you know. So here, and then we'll do that. Give that. Yeah. In the beginning, there isn't much because it's just kind of like it's still teaching you how to play the game. but in just a little bit, it's gonna be a little bit more fun because it's gonna have a lot more levels that require a little bit more of a experience. Okay. Boom. Alright, cool. I don't remember what the coin level they have to, not the coins. They're not coins. What are they called? They're not electoons. Those are the little things. Okay, yeah, so you only have to get to 100. The medals are cool. I don't really know if they do anything in the long run. But yeah. But these little guys will allow you to collect a certain thing for another guy. I can't remember the name. The teeth for one of the dudes in the Snoring tree here. Look, so if you look up at the little fire guy, if you can see up top, right up there, there's a level where you have to chase a treasure chest, and if you go back to the Snoring tree, this guy here, he collects teeth. Right? So I think it'll actually say something if I hit the hat. Oh, yeah. Get the Livid Dead Stars Tour. Bring new skull teeth. Right. And this guy, see, he has, no teeth. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna quickly return to Glade of Dreams. And Geyser Blowout. Okay. So one of the things that I like to do whenever I start a new level is just always go back. Because you never know what's going to be behind you. So I always go behind me in the start. So I suggested if you play this game, you know, anytime you're starting a new level, do that. I'm telling you. Oh man, the little grippy guys. They weren't always hard. They're just, you know, difficult to deal with, I mean. Okay, I'm just gonna head back over here because I know I missed some stuff. And I don't want to miss anything because I think for this level you actually need 300. So, I want 300. I'm still trying to remember what they're called. They're the little yellow guys that you collect. I can't remember for the life of me what they're called. I don't know why. Boom. Yes, okay. So these are secret caves that have little guys in them. And then these guys just give you more of the Electoon pieces to get the teeth to get to the land of the livid dead. Or something like that. I think that's what it is. So yeah, now we can continue. Boom. No! Oh, I forgot that that was there. Okay, now I have to die. I know that sounds extreme because I missed a coin, but trust me, those coins will allow you to get the stuff. Plus, I'm gonna respawn, like, right there, because I did the happies, right? So now all it takes is me just going there, doing that, boom, 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 and boom, and then... Ah, man, I missed that. Okay, but at least I still got 25 coins. Or, not coins. Last something, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yeah. Coin. I remember a lot of the secrets, especially because, as I had said just a minute ago, I did play a little bit to figure out what the controls are, so for the first few levels, I know, like, most of the secrets. So, ready? Right here is pretty easy. Ready? And boom. Okay, so there are happies right here, I believe. The first happy areas are actually pretty easy to find, as you would assume. But after that, they do get pretty difficult, I will say. You know, like, they don't get exceedingly hard or anything, but they are a little bit more difficult to find. And I think in one of the much later levels, there's actually one behind you. So that's where my looking behind you when you start the game, or the level, thing comes in handy. Because if you don't look behind you, you don't get the happies. It means you don't get the Electoons, which means you lose the game. Ah, yes. Okay. Okay, 332 already. Boom. That's a second level done. I think we're gonna go up to the skull race thing. To finish off the episode. So until then, we're gonna keep playing. I'm gonna figure out what those things are called, though. Hang on. I'm looking it up. Rayman Origins. Fairy. No, not fairy. No, I feel like I'd find some weird things if I looked that up. No. Rayman Origins. Coins. Okay, so I see the skull coins, and I know the skull coins. What do skull coins give you in Rayman Origins? Lums! Right, that's what they're called. They're called lums. Yes, okay. So we're collecting the yellow lums. Oh, also, tip, if you're playing this game, if you hear happies, if you hear a bunch of little characters saying, happy, 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 like that, then you're really close to, well, happies. So, you know, that's just a friendly little tip. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba. Alright. I can't remember if there's something down here or not. There is, that's right. Okay. Usually if there's some sort of weird crevice like that, there's usually something down there. So. Sometimes it's just a pit. No! Boom, 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 ba. Whoops! No! Oh, thank God, I can go back. Okay. Sometimes you can't go back, and that's like the worst thing, because a lot of times there's secrets that you didn't quite find, like this time. Even though I knew that there was something up there. Oh. Shoot. Probably should have seen that coming, considering there was a hand-grabby guy up there. I don't know. Okay, wait. So... Oh! Wait! Oh! Crap! That's what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to sprint and then release up there. Okay, now I remember. Oh, I didn't jump. Okay. My controller keeps disconnecting. I think the cord might be broken. Let's see. Ah, man! Okay. Maybe. Okay, no, I keep hitting that. So maybe I can bounce on the zombie woman's head. Or zombie man? I don't know what that is. I can jump on the zombie thing's head. Bounce over. Punch it. Boom. That's success right there. Okay, now we can move on to the next area. Finally. Boom. Okay. Right, oh, yes, this. Ah! What? What? Why did that happen? I had it, too. There we go. And yeah, there was definitely something up here. Okay, I'm hearing happies. Wait, where are the happies, though? I'm hearing them. Maybe they're the next area? Oh, yeah, they're in the next area. I remember. They're right here. There we go. Easy. Easy. I think I might have spent a little bit too much time preparing for this, that now these early levels are just kind of too easy. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so we'll head over there. We'll grab that. Run in there. I gotta figure out how to get up. Oh, that's how. That's how. Boom. And now we just gotta ride it. Okay. Boom. Okay. Alright, so yeah, this is the last area here. Oh hey, I think we just got the medal. If I'm not mistaken, I think 350 is the medal. And now, when we're actually done with the game, I think I might go through all the levels and try to do the time thing. If you saw in the middle of the, whatever it's called, medallion thing, there's a little clock. That clock is basically for speed running the level. I think this level was like 1 minute and 2 seconds. I can't remember. Some of them are like under a minute that you have to complete it, which isn't difficult if you're not trying to find everything, but you know. Metal. Dance party. I apologize for that. Okay. Anyway, moving on. We're continuing. Here we go. Yeah, so the medals, they just kind of appear right up there, if you see. But I don't think they really do anything. I'm going to quickly go back to the Snoring tree and see what characters we have. I mean, I know we have, like, a bunch of characters. I don't really like to play as him. I don't really know why. I mean, he's pretty funny. Like, I mean, you know, it's like, he's not a bad character. I don't know. I don't know. And sometimes I like to play as Blue Rayman, but not really my style. But I think I know who I'm going to play as. These guys are my old trusties. Now, let me tell you something. When you sprint and then you attack, that's what they do. They're literally torpedoes. I mean, come on. Does it get any better than that? Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at that. Also, they sound weird. So, ready? Listen. You can just hold this forever. Yeah. So, that's why I like this guy. No! Oh, dang it. Crap. Okay. That was my bad. Ugh, jeez. Okay. I could have had that. I don't know what I was doing that time. Ah, dang it. Okay, there we go. Okay. Boom. I mean, look at that. He's such a torpedo, he can literally just take them out by doing that. I mean, then again, so can everyone else, but I don't care. Okay, I don't think there's anything up here. But, you know, it's always worth checking. Okay, what is up here? Ah, yes, these. Okay, ready? I'm so good at this. Okay, and I know exactly where the happies are. I can see it and hear it. I hope that the sound is loud enough so you guys can actually hear this stuff. I felt like in the other level, or the other games that I played, the sound was too low. So I'm trying to turn it up so you guys can actually hear what I'm doing in the game. Or else some of these parts will be really weird. So yeah, if it's loud enough, or if you think it should be louder, like whatever, then comment and let me know so I can figure out how loud I need to make it. Because I want you guys to be able to hear what I'm doing while I'm doing it. You know? Or else what's the point of me having the sound on? Okay, so now we're just gonna go boop. That was pretty good. I felt proud doing that. I seriously wasn't expecting to get that first try. I didn't even know what was up there. I just thought it was part of the level. So honestly, pretty proud of myself. Dang it, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get back over there. Oh! Dang it! Okay. Fine. Whatever. Wait, there's something up here. Oh. No! Stop! No! Wait! No! Ah, God! Alright. Hang on. Now I gotta die. I don't care. I missed one. If I miss one, I miss all of them. That's not my motto, but it should be. No! Ah. I keep falling in between. There we go. Now I die. Okay, how much did I have before? 221. Okay. Grab that. Also, I'm pretty sure that the happies are right over here. Yeah. You could tell because of the weird placement of bush. Boom! Easy. Simple. Peasy. Squeezy. Lemon. Yes. Oh no, my controller disconnected. Ah! Hate that. Okay. So now we'll just go up and there. Okay, ready? Boom! Are you kidding me? The one time I'm trying not to do that, it actually happens. Okay. Well. Wait. Where's the exit to this place? Am I blind? Oh wait, yeah, I am. It's right up here. Okay. Okay. Oh, I remember this. Okay. Right. Okay. Ready? Watch this. Watch this. This is fun. Boink! So another level completed. So that'll get me another 5. So right now I should be at 13. Maybe 13? No. I think I was already at 13. I should be at 18 now, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I can't remember. But yeah, we got enough lums to get the 2 Electoons. So now we can move on and keep going. Oh god, I love that. I love that animation. Now he just kind of flies forward, spinning. Yeah, okay, so we're at 15 now. Or 18. Yeah. Okay. So 2 more levels. We should be good. Oh, swinging caves. Okay, in this level, I missed a happy the first time that I played it on my trial one. And so, yeah. And there should be a heart coming out of this. There. Okay, ready? And now, 2. Ah, dang it. Okay. Yes. I've spent so many hours just trying to get that one jump. Correct? Oh, God. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. I didn't talk much during that because I was so stressed. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to restart and try to do that again. Because I've spent so long trying to perfect that. It's ridiculous. Okay. Boom. Boom! Ah! I just flailed my head so hard saying that my headphones literally flew off. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. There wasn't anything down here, right? No. It was up there that there was something. Wait, okay. Boom, boom. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, ready? We're gonna drop, go and drop. Easy! Easy. Okay, we got this, we're good. Oh, this guy. Okay, ready? Spent so long doing this, ready? I think I should be able to get all of them now. Yes, I got them all. Oh, jeez, I hate this one. Oh, but I actually did it first try. And I know that there's a happy back here, because this was the one that I missed. Okay, no, I can't jump. What if I just... Okay. That's the music that plays. I don't know why. It reminds me of the Fantastic Mr. Fox scene with the one guy who's playing the banjo. I don't know if you've seen that. I was actually thinking I might make a video on Fantastic Mr. Fox, because I feel like a lot of people know what it is, but also a lot of people haven't seen it. It's a really good movie. If you haven't seen it, I suggest you should. And if you want to see a video on it, please let me know. I will gladly do one. I love that movie. Alright, so I don't think we're have enough for the medal this time. But that's okay, because we'll still get the 2 Electoons, which is really all that matters. I don't really care too much about the medal, because in all honesty, I don't really know what it does. But if I knew what it did, maybe I'd care more. Unless it just does nothing and it's for, you know, just to give you a prize for collecting as many, lums as possible. Honestly, I don't know. But only one more level now, and then we can do the treasure chest. And then, next episode, we'll be able to do the Sandland area. Air desert. I don't know. The air desert place. But I can tell you, after that area, we're not going to be able to do a full area per episode, because they get pretty difficult, and it's going to take me quite a while to complete just a few of those levels. So, I'm not going to be doing a full area per episode, but, you know, for the first 2 I will, because, you know, they're not going to be short episodes, obviously. You know, they're not going to be, like, 10-minute episodes. They're going to be, like, around 30 minutes per episode. So, you know, just know that if you want to watch, you know, if you want to stay updated, they're going to be that long. So, oh yeah, these levels, these are fun. You literally, there's a tiny chance of you taking damage, and all lums are doubled. Except if you don't get it in time, because you're slow, like me. Okay, yeah. So I didn't quite get the 200 that's needed for the medal, because I was slow. But I got pretty close, as you can see. As that. Also, if you have 2 players playing, then the cool thing is, if you die, they can pop your bubble and you can come back to life, so you don't have to, like, restart. But also, they get to be the skinny blue guy over there with the axe. I don't know if you can see, I'm, I don't know, a Viking or something? Not exactly sure. But, yeah. I always thought that, the little blue guys looked funny as that, and then having Rayman or someone be the other guy. Okay. We're gonna do the treasure chest first, and then we'll do the other level. And then that's where we're gonna end it. So, it's called Can't Catch Me. These levels are super fun. They're also the hardest ones. So, ready? Bing! Bing. Yeah, but right now it's actually not that difficult, because obviously it's like the first one. But I can tell you, I remember vaguely long time ago, I would spend like hours on some of the really hard ones. Like, I mean really hard ones. You know, like, this obviously isn't too hard, considering I'm pretty much done with it already. Yeah, that's it. That's all it is for the first one. But later on, it's literally like, in the swimming level, there's a level where you get the ability to dive, right? And for the treasure chest there, you have to go underwater, go around jellyfish, break bottles, avoid spikes, avoid flying swordfish. It's crazy. So we're going to quickly do the mosquito, then we're going to head back to the snoring tree. And then we will end the episode there. Oh! The reason we're going back to the snoring tree, by the way, is to give the skull guy his tooth. Because, as you saw, we did get the tooth. Now, the mosquito levels are definitely one of my favorites. You know, they do, as other levels tend to, they also do get harder. Oh, God. Oh. I'm not cutting that out. I'm just gonna keep that in. Okay. There's not really much to talk about here. It's really just mosquitoes flying around, attacking these guys. But this is what brings you into the next area. This is why it's important, because this will lead up to next episode. Okay, now ready? Watch this. Yeah, you can throw them at each other. That was always one of my favorite things. You can absorb other guys. So, like, right here, you can see we get that. You getting it? Oh! Ooh! That's good. Ah! Man. Okay. This should be pretty easy, I believe. Oh, piranhas. God, I hate piranhas. There's a food level, a frozen food area, and let me tell you, piranhas are the worst there. I hate them. Right here, you know, they're not hard because you don't actually have to fight them. But, like, later on, they're super hard to deal with. No! I have to restart! Dang it! I knew I should have started shooting at it sooner. Yeah, but I wasn't gonna miss that. Like, they give a lot of stuff. Okay. But here. I think in just, like, a minute now, we'll be heading over to the next area. Like, right now we're heading over there. Yeah. I think I already said it. It's the desert. I should have already said it. But if I didn't, it's the desert. Oh no, it's a heat-seeking missile? Why didn't I realize that? Because it's red. Anyway, oh, you can see in the background, if you look to the very bottom right, you can see the next area already starting. The next theme, I believe, is music. Boom. Oh yeah, the big chicken guy. So, in every one of the mosquito things, there's usually, like, a bad guy that you have to fight. I think in the sea one, there's a crab. In other ones, there's something else. I don't remember. All I remember is the sea one, because I played that not too long ago. Yeah, the sea one's actually pretty far away. I just played a little bit more than I would like to admit to. But yeah, here. Go. break that. Ready? And boom, right through them. So we got 338, which means that should put us over the amount. Yeah, so we got 2 more Electoons. So we got the max for Electoons minus the time trial in all of these, which is awesome, because that means we have a head start for a lot of the stuff, which is great. So we're going to quickly head over to the Snoring tree, give the guy his tooth, and then that'll be it. So, ready? Let's head over there. Now. So. That was weird. Yeah, that was really weird. You can see here, now we're getting the Desert of Didgeridoos. So now we're heading back over to the Snoring tree. Here, look, this guy. Ready? And now he smiles, because he's happy we gave him a tooth. So this is the little guy based off of Rayman. This is who we're going to stay as. He's my favorite, because he's, look, if you look at him and Rayman, Rayman's the guy right above him, if you didn't know. But look, the hair, the face, the clothes, all that. So that's where we're going to leave it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you annihilate the subscribe button. Absolutely smash the like button. And just lightly tap that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time on Rayman Origins, Episode 2.